How to add rainbow gradient to text in Canva. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will guide you how you can add rainbow gradient to text in Canva. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to canva.com, make sure that you're logged in and open a design where you want to add the rainbow gradient text. You can either create a new design or edit one of your existing project. Now from that, add your text. So once you have added your text, you have to select your desired text. Now to create the rainbow gradient effect, you will need a Canva Pro for the access to gradient tool. So if you are using the Canva Pro, you will have a gradient tool that will let you create the rainbow gradient effect in your text. So once you have selected your text, if you click on this text color from this menu bar at the top here in the section, if you scroll through it, you will have the option to choose the gradient from the option available if you have the Canva Pro account. So once you select your preferred gradient color option, then you can adjust your gradient. If the Canva offers the editable gradient, you can adjust the color stops to create your rainbow effect. And once you're done, you could also adjust the size, spacing and position of the text to fit your design. But in case if you are the free Canva users, or if you don't have any Canva Pro subscriptions, then what you can do is you can create a colorful gradient background or use a rainbow gradient image. So once you have done that, now go to the elements from this menu bar on your left hand side, and in the search bar search for a rainbow background. Click on see all. So from these options available, you could choose one as your rainbow gradient background. But if you could not find it here, what you can do is open up a new tab and in the search bar search for rainbow gradient background. So from these options available, you could download one from here. I'll just download this one here, click on save image as, and then download it in your desktop. So once the image is downloaded, now you could go back to your Canva. Here go to uploads from the menu bar on your left hand side, click on upload files, and from your downloaded options or from your downloaded folders, you could download or you could upload the image. So here is the image, click on download or click on this image and click on open. So this image is now uploaded. Now what you can do is you can double click on this image and there you go, you have the rainbow background in your text area. Now you could resize this and fit up your text area. So once you're here, now click on this text right here, then you could change the color to white. After that, if you want to decrease the transparency, click on this transparency option at the top right and decrease it a little bit and place it wherever you like on your interface. So once you have this gradient rainbow background with your text, now if you're wondering how you could apply this rainbow gradient in your text only. So if you are okay with this kind of text with a rainbow background, you could simply download it. Or if you want to remove the background, what you can do is click on share button at the top right corner and here go to download, and from here select the PNG format and here click on download. So once the download is complete, now again open up a new tab and in the search bar type in background remover. Now from the search results, head over to the first thing on your interface, that is www.remove.bg. Now it will let you choose your file. Click on upload image, go to your downloads, and here I have the downloaded image from the Canva previously. Click on it and click on open. Now wait for a while until the background gets removed. So there you go, now you have this rainbow gradient background on this text. And once you're satisfied, you could simply click on download. So that's how you can apply the rainbow gradient effect on your text if you don't have the Canva Pro subscriptions. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.